There. I have to take a picture of my shed for Shed Wars. Isn't it cute?
What are you looking at me for that way? What did I do now?
I'm just wondering if you have filmed your video for Mr. It Won't Grow over there at Team Johnny.
I've been busy today, and I have busyness still to do today.
Well, you know he's going to be thinking that it's my fault for you not getting a video done.
You're the one that made me busy.
Excuse me?
You're the one that makes me pick up the garbage on Wednesday.
That's true. I do make you do that.
You're the one that makes me cook on Wednesday.
Oh, that's two on the same day?
I know, it's
two
terrible.
things. And
well, I used to have it split up, but then you overtook Tuesdays. So, want to trade?
Not today. The night you cook is my one night off from cooking. I cherish those moments.
I don't know when I'm going to make the other film. Do you want me to make it right now?
Sure.
What am I supposed to say?
Tell the people.
Tell the people. Hey, all you people that are involved
in... The awful thing you're doing.
The awful thing I'm doing. Oh, yeah. I joined a different team than Lorrie's team. I joined... Which team did I join?
Team It Won't Grow.
It won't grow. That's why they chose me.
That's why they chose you.
I don't plant anything, so it doesn't grow. But I did show my shed. I have a picture of my shed. So for Shed Wars, I don't know what else I'm supposed to do.
You might say hello to little Johnny Boy.
Who is little Johnny Boy?
Little Johnny Boy is your team captain.
Oh, my team captain, little Johnny Boy.
Little Johnny Boy. Oh. He's a jellyfish.
He's a jellyfish.
Yeah.
What kind of people have you gotten me roped into here?
Hey, you're the one who volunteered to go over to the jellyfish team.
I didn't volunteer.
You did. You volunteered when you rang my chicken's neck.
I got recruited.
You got recruited.
Spying. I'm going to spy on Lorrie. What am I supposed to spy on? What are you supposed to be doing for these things anyway?
And that's what you get, Johnny Boy.